What's happening, everybody, man? Welcome back to the channel. Man, today yeah, man, I got a few things I kind of want to holler at y'all about, because I know the shock factor of the thumbnail and the title. Trust me, y'all, it's gonna make sense here momentarily as we get into it. Well, fam, it looks like I may have boxed myself in a little bit. And I know y'all wondering, why do I say that I did that? Well, I have been kind of trying to do a little research, trying to figure out what's going on as to why the channel is at a standstill at the moment. You know what I'm saying? I mean, we have okay growth, but not as good as it should be. And it's for the simple reason that I have kind of put myself into a box. And when I put myself in a box, it's more like I'm in a certain niche. And that niche being the FA20 platform. Now, don't get me wrong, I do love the platform. And if I'm being honest, I have to say this is the best platform as far as for vehicle that I've been in, and you know, period. You know what I'm saying? Because I mean, I really like the platform. It's been a cool journey so far, but you know, a lot of the videos and stuff like that I've been doing have been right there along the lines of just working on FA20s, and you know, it's like I said, it's got me in the box to where if I do anything else, I'm not getting no traction. Now, I do appreciate all of you guys' support thus far, man. I mean, you guys y'all been rocking with me, man. And when y'all do chime in and y'all talk to me and tell me that, you know, how much a video that I put out helped you guys out, man, hey, that's what I did. That's why I do this. That's the reason why the videos are out there. But then again, you know, once honestly speaking, once you guys get the help, that's it. You know, and I kind of want to be more than just, you know, a one-trick pony. You know what I'm saying? Because there is more to me, man. I can do a whole lot of stuff, if I'm being honest. It's just right now I don't have the current means to do so. The hope is the channel can kind of support itself a little bit better so that I can start, you know, getting into some new projects and stuff like that. So, damn, man. Now, we'll roll up these windows a little bit. I might have to be a little hot. Matter of fact, let me just close this up quite a bit. So hopefully it ain't too much road noise and wind noise messing with y'all. But, so to a degree, I have to start from scratch. Now, that doesn't mean I'm starting from zero, because right now, as the channel sits, we got about 1,669 subscribers as of me recording this video. So we're there. So we're not starting from scratch per se, as like starting from zero, but we are starting from scratch. And the fact that as far as the algorithm is concerned, the algorithm is concerned, it has to figure out what I'm trying to do with the channel and kind of how to put us out there. Now, in my mind, the algorithm or algorithm is not working with your boy right now. I mean, I don't know. It could be stuff on my part that I'm not doing. Well, like I said, I feel like I may have just put myself into a box by only focusing on Subaru content. Now, originally, I think, you know, I told you guys this. I was into gaming, and when I tell you, I went nowhere in gaming for like 2 years, 3 years, really. And I think I had the same 24 subscribers that whole time. Now, when I got into this niche, now, though they do say that you should get into some sort of niche, you know, to get your channel to grow, and that is not a lie. But it also comes with, there is a downside to it, and that's that situation that I'm in right now. So you get into that, and me getting into, you know, the platform that I'm in, you know, the FA20 motor, it did make the channel grow. The channel just started growing, you know, it started doing a little bit, it started getting a little traction, people was watching, getting some views, you know what I'm saying? All the plus, man, loving that. So, was it bad? No. So now, I'm at a point right now where I need to pivot. So when you have to pivot, that means it's gonna open up the door for me to possibly lose some subscribers. Hopefully I don't. Hopefully y'all hang around with your boy. I don't know what's going on. The camera just kind of shut off on me. Now, so like I was saying, it's not like I'm gonna stop doing Subaru content altogether. Hell no, because I love my car and I'm still modding that thing. I'm just gonna be trying to do a little bit more and try and let you guys get to know me a little bit better. And you know, which is one of the reasons why I named the channel the way I did. You know, I named it MoJo Ninja Garage. MoJo Ninja Garage means we don't just do Subarus, we do a little bit of everything, because, you know, I like working on different things, because it's like it's more of the same old all of the time, and it's kind of getting a little bit dry. So what I'm wanting to do, man, is I'm wanting to, well, I got some stuff planned up that's gonna be a little bit challenging to a degree. Plus, you know, you see I'm riding in the truck, so I got some things I need to do to the truck, get the truck back up to par, you know what I'm saying? So let me cruise this thing around a little quick, pull up into another little spot, man, and we can kind of chop it up some more. But like I told y'all, man, driving and trying to talk on video, man, it can get a bit distracting. Plus, you know, when I got my little cheat sheet notes to make sure I'm hitting all my points and stuff. So we'll talk to y'all in a minute. Now the plan for this part was I was gonna sit in the back of the truck, but man, the sun is beaming down. My battery just took a crap on me, because, you know, and that's in my camera right now. Matter of fact, in the spirits of saying that I'm having to start from scratch, I am currently recording on the first type of camera I ever used, which is an action camera, which is a GoPro. So I'm recording on my GoPro, and the battery that was in there, that mug just straight, I couldn't even get it out of there. It swelled up, and I had to force that thing out of there to put a new battery in this thing. But there you go. I just want to let you guys know that. But what can I say here, man? Over the past few years, well, I ain't gonna say what it was, the past 5.5 years now, I've motivated some to try things out on their own, to try and do repairs themselves, you know what I'm saying, or trying to do mods themselves, and also helped a few people work through some of the issues that they had on their cars, man. And, you know, of course, it's a blessing that they found me, because I'm happy that they found me, because I earned them as a subscriber, but I also was able to help them get through some speed bumps doing installing some of the stuff that they were doing on their cars that matched some of the things that I did. And for that, man, I'm real happy about that. And again, that's why I do this, man. That's why the channel is here. But, and then at the end of the day, I'm left with, dang, you know, I helped them out. Not saying there's nothing wrong with that, but help them out. And then, you know, if you don't need nothing else, man, you ain't doing the same mods I'm doing, then, you know, why hang around? So, you know what I'm saying? You know, they hanging in there. I ain't lost any subscribers, but you know what I'm saying? That viewership is what I need. So now at the end of the day, I'm just sitting out here waiting for more communication to come out there.
You gotta play to win.
So in my mind, for me, I have to start from scratch. Yeah, it's almost saying as if I have to reinvent the wheel again, you know what I'm saying, to try and a little bit more noticeable as far as the algorithm is concerned. So now, don't get it twisted. I love what I do. I love what I have done so far. I don't regret anything that's happened so far. You know, it's all a learning process, and this is all my little journey and all of that. I can almost say it to a degree. I feel like I'm a bit burnt out, and I'm burnt out just by what I've been seeing. Like, for instance, this video that I'm recording right now, I've already recorded this video, and it didn't come out the way I wanted it to. It started to look exactly like my other videos. It felt rushed. Everything was just all over the place. You know what I'm saying? So that's the reason why I'm doing this again, trying to take my time and really trying to work through how I want to talk about all of this. Okay, so now y'all can watch me squeeze up out of here. Ugh, that wasn't too bad. In my mind, I'm telling myself, man, I need to do things to free myself of the ceiling that I put above myself. I pretty much put a roof over this, and I should not have. I kind of put myself into a bit of a rut by not allowing myself to be more creative, and I think I kind of locked myself in the way to where I've like stopped being creative, and it's been more along the lines of me, how to like say, chasing a rabbit. It just started to seem very redundant, the videos I was doing now. Not to say that the content I was putting out was bad, because it's good content that I'm putting out there, because like I say, I'm showing you guys how to install certain things, how to, dang man, this lighting is freaking terrible, man. I might have to get in the sun a little bit, dog. Okay, how's that? Am I blown out, dude? Let me see. Make sure I'm not blown out or anything like that. You know. So, again, I need to try and do things to be a little, you know, to challenge myself a little bit. And my hope is that y'all hang out with me while I try and figure this thing out. Dude, it's hot. It's time to go somewhere else, man. I'll holler back at y'all in a second. Well, I know the road is gonna be rough as I go through this transitional phase that I'm about to be going through right now, as I go through what I'm calling my pivot. I'm a game, and hopefully y'all are game too, and y'all gonna, you know, ride with me on this journey while I'm trying to figure this thing out. I mean, I told you guys I was gonna be as transparent as I could with you. You know, anything that comes up, just so y'all know where I'm at frame of mind wise, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna have your ups and downs. Right now I'm going through some down, you know what I'm saying? So I'm sure y'all can see behind me, the ghost is up on the quick jacks right now. So that's just letting you guys know I'm trying to get into something that's going to challenge this creativity I said I'm about to try and get into. So I'm going to have to be very creative on what's happening next with the ghost, which you guys are gonna find out about in the upcoming video. Looks like I want to start taking a bit more time to plan out my videos. Trying to make sure that I was being consistent, which I think I was successful with being consistent on my video output and how they came out. Everything seemed a little bit rushed. So I'm going to be trying to make small changes in my content as I come out with it, as I create the stuff that I do. Take the more time to plan it, to make sure the production quality is on point, and the way it doesn't feel too rushed. So I know I've said this in the past that yeah, I might miss a few uploads, but throughout this whole thing, I've kind of not done that, which means all of that time I have been lying. I haven't done it because like I said, I've been wanting to stay consistent. But consistency is cool, but it's not cool if the quality is not where it's supposed to be at, which in my mind, I don't think the quality is where it should be. Like I said, I know I can do better. I just need to try and do so. So that means there are going to be some lapses, because I'm pretty sure, as y'all see, this video is probably going to come out. It's going to be a little miss for a week, you know what I'm saying, while I take my time trying to put all of this together and to come out with the videos. Anyway, at the end of the day, it's just me trying to make sure I'm doing the best thing I can so that I can feel like I'm being creative, which I don't really think I have been. I kind of just been going through the motions, putting everything out, you know what I'm saying? Just getting the videos out, churning them out. I'm good there, but I need to do a little bit more, be a little bit different, you know, maybe do some more talking head stuff, maybe give y'all some more story time. We can just chop it up and chill out. Trying to let you guys get to know me and just, you know, instead of just getting to work and work on the car, let's do this, let's do that, let's do this. So, like I said, those are the changes that I'm planning on making. As far as for anything else, man, I don't know. I'm kind of trying to figure this thing out as I go. Y'all just be patient with your boy while I figure this thing out to where I can get to a point to where I'm feeling like I'm making a steady, like, you know, flight going upward, and I'm not just plateauing and then sometimes kind of dipping and then just staying down there, if that makes sense. So fam, man, please, y'all do continue to rock with your boy while I'm going through this little phase while I'm trying to figure this thing out, man. Don't lose track, you know. Keep talking to me, man. Keep communicating. Any ideas or thoughts that you guys have or things that you might like to see, hey, man, on the Real Talk. And, man, hit me up in the comments, man. Let me know what's going on. So do know I will be trying some things out and probably be messing some things up in the pursuit to trying to be more creative to figure some things out, man. So for sure, man. Appreciate you guys, man, for, you know, listening to your boy rant and talk about this stuff, dude. And for sure, make sure that you like the video, man, because, you know, the algorithm like that, man. You know, hit that like, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you do subscribe. If you're not subscribed already, man, go ahead and subscribe, man. It don't cost you nothing, but it helps out a lot. And, you know, trying to get them views up, you know what I'm saying? You know, I don't mind criticism as long as it is constructive criticism. You know, not only out there trying to bash you, boy. Ain't nobody trying to hear all that. But I'm always willing to learn something or listen to somebody, you know, tell me something if it means I'm going to get a little bit better, you know what I'm saying? So appreciate y'all, man. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification and hit all so you get notified whenever I put out a video. And until that next video, fam, peace.